Can we talk about the mard ko dard nahi hota? Can we talk about how that one statement, I would say, is like something that has killed people?
You think so?
So, fact. More women get depression and anxiety world over. More men die from suicide. Do you know why that is? And I studied this in gender psychology in like BNU University, and that day just like changed me. Because men are so afraid of not being successful in their attempt that they will use ways that will make it impossible for them to survive. When people try to commit suicide, there's a part of them that doesn't actually want to die.
Right.
It's just an escape from the pain. Men will use such drastic measures because they're so ashamed and embarrassed. If I survive...
So you're saying that men are more effective at suicide because they're just better,
I'm
stronger,
saying I will throw things at you.
faster, smarter.
The thing is that
Because it's a cry for help और वो बंदे इतने उनको शर्म आ रही होती है.
कि अगर मैं survive करूंगा तो मेरे लिए और ज़्यादा बुरा होगा.
Oh shit, that's messed up.
कि like that one little chance where that person's like, you know, I'll do this and I'll get better.
ख़वातीन को ज़्यादा डिप्रेशन और एंजाइटी क्यों होता है? Because of the because of birth and stuff?
I mean, that is a very big part of it also. I think the gender normative behavior की वजह से भी होता है. I think there's like a lot of pressure society
Can you
में
translate that? What is gender normative behavior?
The gender roles that we made in society, right? तो उसमें औरत के ऊपर emotional burden थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है, मर्द के ऊपर financial burden बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. जिस तरह से society has been working.
Right.
So I feel like now it's an outdated thing because in this economy, I don't think you can survive on one person earning money and running the house. But उसकी वजह से I think बहुत ज़्यादा होता था. And I think women just generally also have a different coping mechanism than men do. Women are more emotional than men. I think it's a very biological fact.
You heard it here, guys. Women are emotional.
Which is also a good thing.
Women are emotional is a good thing?
Yes. We're
Right.
more empathetic also. We're more caring. Women would solve most of the world's problems right now as opposed to men in government. But okay.
Anyways,
Fair.
इससे पहले ये और so आपने यहाँ पे इशारा कर दिया to the professional pressures that men face, but now women face them also.
Yeah.
तो the problem of choice आती है पहले deciding profession क्या करना है. Then you get into it and then you want to succeed because आपने वही बताया कि success और failure का इतना pressure होता है मर्दों पे. But अब increasingly औरतें भी workplace में enter कर रही हैं और gender roles जो हैं classically जो है वो challenge हो रहे हैं. That creates a new problem now for the women where they have to integrate into male dominated spaces. तो वो psychological problems create करती हैं औरतों के लिए. अब मर्दों के लिए क्योंकि उनका classical role जो होता है वो challenge हो रहा होता है, उनका masculine role जो है as breadwinners or as the main earning member of a household. तो ये दोनों अब पहली बार इन competition है. Whereas women would be in competition with other women classically and men would be in competition with other men. बट अब वर्क प्लेस में दोनों आपस में कंपटीशन में होते हैं और उस कंपटीशन के थ्रू उन्होंने ओवरऑल रिलेशनशिप भी बिल्ड करना होता है. शादी करनी होती है, यू नो, कोर्टशिप का कोई पीरियड होता है, दोस्तियाँ होती हैं, कॉलीग्स होते हैं आपके. तो हाउ हैज़ दिस हैव यू सीन दिस इन एक्शन जहाँ लोग अब फील करते हैं बंदे that they're not masculine enough or women where they feel like they're not one of the boys या जो भी?
I mean, I think yes. The second thing to बहुत ज़्यादा, I think there's people talking about it a lot as well.
Women not being one of the boys?
Yes. Feeling a little separated
From the workplace.
Yeah, थोड़ा सा आप alienated feel करते हो when you have like areas where they're just men working there. Can I quote a personal example? I worked at a place 4 years ago.
Right.
Where I think 90% of the people in the office were just,
Well-
I would say more than 90. I think
Yeah.
everyone was a man except for like 2 people in accounts, 1 person in customer service.
Sounds like a nightmare.
Yeah. So that company thankfully doesn't exist anymore.
Like,
So toxic.
glad to hear.
But it happens. अब मैं इस चीज़ को like एक और direction में भी लेके जा सकती हूँ. Even in terms of physical safety. अब I worked at this place and I genuinely like दिल से mean this. I think the people were amazing. Okay? It was BTN. I just in case somebody doesn't get this, which obviously
People
nobody
don't know
else
about
will.
BTN, by the way.
Yeah, people don't.
You don't know
It
about
was this place, but in the past. It used to be red, now it's yellow.
It
That is the difference.
used to be real estate, now it's not.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now
I
it's
guess.
digital real estate of the mind.
But I trusted all the people that I worked with. But when I used to go out in the parking lot to my car, if a bunch of the men that worked in the office that I trusted individually we're standing together,
It was uncomfortable.
I would genuinely get scared for my physical well-being. Like, this is the thing that happens.
And it's something जो आपके अंदर trigger होता है. It's not
Yeah.
even those people.
It's
but
not those
वो
people. They
physically
didn't do
इकट्ठे
anything
खड़े
wrong.
हुए
But like, एक चीज है ना, and just like really try really hard to control your face when I say this. Okay, there is a saying that the biggest fear of a man in a room full of women is that he will be laughed at, and the biggest fear of a woman in a room full of men is that she will be killed. There's a difference.
So would you choose the bear or the man?
Oh my God, just stop.
So the bear or the man? Did you get it?
Yeah.
No, so I get the saying, it makes sense. Yeah, मर्दों को feel होता है ख़वातीन से whether they're being ridiculed by them or they don't respect them or they don't think of them as a man or whatever, and or they'll find out कि वो therapy पे जा रहा है वो बंदा and the women will feel physically threatened, even with men that they might,
Trust otherwise,
obviously trust की layers होती हैं. Usually family और in group जो होता है आपका tribal है social, उसके अंदर तो औरतें बिल्कुल secure feel करती हैं, but feeling secure might not necessarily translate to being secure.
You would be surprised.
So let's talk about it then. घर में, public spaces में, बाजार में, we've talked about this पहले भी एक दफ़ा. When women go to the bazaar or they go to public, offices or sarkari mehkama, whatever, public dealing करने अपनी, do people bring those kinds of physical trauma to you कि यार मेरे साथ ये हुआ, मुझे वहाँ उसने ये कह दिया? Is that something that scars them very deeply, or is it something that people brush off mostly?
No, it scars them very deeply. And I think one thing that I've noticed in a lot of women is that it's not just the incident that happens, it's the reaction of your family to it. Is that a lot of people will be like, shh, don't make a thing out of it. Don't tell anyone. It's okay, hota hai. That lack of validation. कि like, एक तो मेरे साथ बुरा हुआ. And now people that love me and care about me and are supposed to be protecting me are telling me like, just shut up about it. Don't make a thing out of it. It'll be embarrassing. लोग क्या कहेंगे if they find out कि तुम्हारे साथ
what do you think women want? What do you think a woman wants in that moment? एक तो है कि validation. लोग बात करेंगे, चाहिए क्या हुआ है, क्यों हुआ है बेटा, आप safe हैं, वो बुरा था, आप बुरे नहीं हैं, like it's not your fault, blah blah blah. This is the normal of के एक जुर्म हुआ है आपके साथ, and to be treated like a crime as opposed to.
Yes, that's what women want.
Would they want retributive justice?
I think that depends on the person, but I think some element of punishment or calling out the actual perpetrator is important.
कि किसी को legal
Even उस
procedure
situation में अब literally like आप बाजार जाते हो and I don't know, maybe you'd be surprised, maybe you wouldn't. The number of men that will just grope you randomly while walking, they'll touch you, be inappropriate, say something weird, start singing when you're going towards their shop. It's so much, and it's so many layers to it, is that you want somebody to call them out.
Do you think there's a class element to that?
कैसे?
Like a social class element to that, in that case, जब upper class women go to lower class men के areas in bazaars where they're running shops or ठेले चला रहे होते हैं, that there is that class aspiration.
I think there's an awareness element to it. I think there's upper class women will call it out and see it as harassment more than somebody who unfortunately is so used
I'm not saying the calling out of the harassment. I'm saying the harassment. Do you think it's more
happening in the first place? I don't think
It's more targeted. It's all kinds of women. Have you dealt with lower class women who feel
not
like
as clients, but I've spoken to a lot.
कि वो बाजार जाती हैं and because they wouldn't be able to afford you as their therapist.
The clothes don't matter.
Right.
The class doesn't matter.
You felt कि universal है, so bus पे speedo पे होंगे, orange train पे होंगे, toll.
Their reaction is different. That's the only difference.
What kind of reaction जो elicit होता है from the woman, where the woman later on feels strong and empowered and good about herself?
I think if you call them out in the
उसी लम्हे में.
Yeah. But
अगर
a lot of women, it's sad because a lot of women are scared to call them out in that moment because they're like, other people might not support me there. Either like there'll be other men who are just going to
Where does that instinct come from?
The instinct to
कि यहाँ पे मुझे public support नहीं मिलेगी. Let's say you're not in a situation जहाँ आप isolated हैं. जब आप isolated हैं तब तो समझ आता है कि अब मैंने भागना है यहाँ से or whatever. If you're in a situation जहाँ पे लोग हैं and you feel like if you create a scene, as they would say, then people would believe me. What's the fear there? Like कि इज देयर अ ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड इन देयर लाइव्स कि जहाँ पे उनको पता लगता है कि नहीं, औरतें कभी भी उनकी कोई नहीं मानता?
I think embarrassment has been ingrained in women. And it starts from what happens at home. Not me personally, if somebody goes home and they tell their family कि मेरे साथ ये हुआ, and they're like, क्या करी थी, क्यों करी थी, ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए था, किसी को ना बताना, किसी को पता चल जाएगा तो वो क्या सोचेंगे. इस तरह की चीज़ें अगर मैं बचपन से सुनती आ रही हूँ तो obviously I'm just going to be like, this is embarrassing for me.
Right?
A lot of women will instinctive उनका जो होगा response is to shame themselves or be like embarrassed कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ as opposed to enraged.